Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, this is Zaman in front of me. Today I'm going to talk about a food English. I'm also beginner, same like you. I'm trying to learn English every day. I'm trying to improve my English every day. How can you improve your English easily? This topic, I think, best for you because you are trying to learn English every day. English is very important for all of us because we are like student, we are job holder, we are businessman also. That's why when we are going to other city and other country, globally any of countries, if we need to go out of country, must be we need English because without English, you can't communication with them. That's why you have to learn English must. If you learn English in the future, you will get a better opportunity and also the better job, and you can grow your business easily. And when you go to abroad for purpose, business and study and work, any kind of traveling, English will help you. English is very simple language, but when we are thinking in English, we think English is so difficult. That's why we couldn't speak fluently. First of all, you have to think in your mind always. English is not difficult. English is very simple because English is same like Bengali language. It's not any kind of material, not heavy. Just you have to try. When you're going to talk in English, you feel shy. But every day you have to practice one sentence, two sentence, three sentence. And if you want to learn English, you have to practice every day, minimum 10 minutes. With any friends and job holders and foreigners. And like now is very, very suitable apps, Gemini and ChatGPT. This app can help you minimum 50%. If you know how to speak with Gemini AI and ChatGPT. Because most of the people they don't know how to use Gemini AI and ChatGPT also. In this app, ChatGPT and Gemini AI, if you use these two apps in your English journey, you will get benefits. I think 80%. No need your friends, no need foreigner peoples, no need teacher. You ask Gemini AI and ChatGPT, they will tell you how to you use and how to you talk with him and how to you get benefits. Just you have to make a practice time, because every day you thinking, I will learn English, I will learn English, I will learn English, but you couldn't start it. How to learn English? Don't get afraid. Afraid is very, very disgusting. At this afraid, most of the people, they lost time, they lost future, and they lost money also. Because when we going to start speaking, we get afraid. At the same time also, the afraid make concern in our heart, in our mind. That's why we couldn't speak English. English is a very simple language and very easy language. So if you don't get afraid, let's get started from today. Inshallah, I hope in the future, after 3 months, you will get results. Inshallah. And you will speak English in the future. Thank you. I'm also learner. I have many mistakes in my podcast. Couldn't get any wrong message. I'm also learner. I'm learning English. I'm not teacher. Just I motivated you. How do you start learning English? Thank you, everyone.